Hi, this is Luke with 360 Yield Center. I want to take a minute today to discuss ROI when it comes to Y-DROP Sidedress. With Y-DROP Sidedress, it has very similar placement to the Y-DROP that typically mounts on your sprayer. The only limitation is you're putting it on a bar, so you have to go a little earlier on in the season. One of the more common questions I get is what the comparison is between a typical Coulter bar system and 360 Y-DROP Sidedress placement. So typically when we look at a Sidedress bar, using Coulter system, you're putting out in the middle of the row. That fertilizer is going to move down roughly 10 to 12 inches before it gets into the root system. With a Y-DROP Sidedress, you're placing it right at the base of the plant, quicker uptake, quicker return on your dollar. One of the other common questions I get across the country is, if I want to switch my Coulter bar over to Y-DROP Sidedress, is there a lot of stuff involved? It's really not. It's simply a bolt-on system. You'll take your old Coulter off, bolt the new ones on, and off you go. There's very low maintenance, ease of use, not a lot of moving parts, or if any. So setup and maintenance cost over the life of the product is very good. We have the ability to fit on pretty much any size bar. So if you have a bar that you're currently using or looking at purchasing a bar or building a bar, we can retrofit across pretty much the whole gamut of products. We've done a lot of years of study, and pretty consistently across the board over many, many trials, we see about a 6 bushel advantage as compared to a Coulter system. So as we go forward, we're going to take and use that in our ROI calculators to give us an idea what return would look like in switching a bar over to 360 Y-DROP Sidedress. If you want to take a look at some of those yield results and some of the trials that were done, please go to 360yieldresults.com. We have a lot of them listed over the past few years. Now let's run an example at 360roicalculators.com using current prices and production. Using the ROI calculator, we are going to use a placement advantage of roughly 6 bushels an acre. Today, corn price is roughly $6.50 a bushel. The current price for 360 Y-DROP Sidedress is about $495 a row. For this example, we're going to use a 16-row bar, so we're going to have roughly 15 drops. And in this grower, we're going to use an average grow of roughly 1,000 acres a year of corn. Once you've got those numbers all plugged in, you'll hit calculate. Down below in year 1, it will show your bushel increase, which is 6,000 bushels for that grower. It'll show your additional revenue of $39,000. Your cost upgrade, this will be the cost of what it costs you to change your bar over to Y-DROP Sidedress. And then after that, it'll subtract out and show your net income. So in year 1, you're going to have over a 400% ROI. And with that, you'll have less than 200 acres to break even with 360 Y-DROP Sidedress. Go to 360roicalculators.com to enter your numbers for your operation to see how 360 Y-DROP Sidedress can make an impact on your operation.